Good afternoon. My name is Bernie Lopez. I'm professor and vice chairman in the Department of Emergency Medicine at Thomas Jefferson University Hospital in Philadelphia, Pennsylvania. It's my pleasure to be here at the 7th Mediterranean Emergency Medicine Congress. As you may have seen from your program, there are close to 1,000 abstracts being presented on the current research in emergency medicine over the next 3 days. Tomorrow morning at 8:30, I'm going to present a talk titled, "The Future of Emergency Medicine Practice. What Will We Need to Research?"
Why, oh why, do I waste my time? Why, oh why, hate this bad project? Why, oh why, do I waste my time? Why, oh why, hate this bad project?
I will focus on two important topics and make predictions on the future look of emergency medicine and how we will provide acute care to our patients. So don't miss it. Come tomorrow morning. See the titles for the 2015, 2016, 2017 Mediterranean Emergency Medicine Conference research abstracts.